Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize a PNC card for ATM transactions, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authorize a PNC card for ATM transactions, start by locating your PNC debit card. Ensure your card is activated. If it's a new card, activate it by following the instructions included with your card. Next, find a PNC ATM or a network ATM that accepts PNC cards. Approach the ATM and insert your PNC card into the card slot. Wait for the machine to read your card. Once prompted, enter your personal identification number, or PIN. If you do not have a PIN, you can set one up through your PNC online banking account or by contacting customer service. After entering your PIN, select the Transactions option on the ATM screen. Choose Withdrawals or any other action that requires authorization. If this is your first time using the card, the system may prompt you to authorize the transaction. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the authorization process. Once authorized, proceed with your transaction as you normally would. After completing your transaction, remember to take your card and any cash or receipts. In case of any issues during the authorization process, contact PNC customer support for assistance. Keep your card in a safe place to protect your account information. You are now ready to use your PNC card for future ATM transactions. Follow these steps whenever you need to authorize your card again. Keep your information secure and monitor your account regularly for any unauthorized transactions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.